I learned this little trick where, like, if your zipper keeps flying down, you Okay, you guys. This is Zum Zum's first hookah. Hold on, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Morning, guys. Anyway, so we're at the airport, and okay, so we missed our flight. We had a flight for 6:25, and we were up, and then like around 2:30, because I was like, we had to be at the airport by 4. So at about 2:30, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna take a nap. No, it wasn't 2:30. It was like 2. I'm like, I'm gonna take a nap till 2:30. When 2:30 came, I was like, oh, I'm still kind of tired. So I'm like, let me set my alarm for 3. So I'm like, I gotta shave, I gotta do all of that stuff. So I'm gonna wake up. My mom was calling me to find out where I was. When I woke up, it was 5:27. We called the cab same time. Got to the airport 10 minutes to 6, and they told us the gate was closed. So we lost our flight going down. The lady was a bitch. She wasn't very helpful at all. She had like this attitude like, you're late, you're 35 minutes late. Like, I know that I'm late. What's your point? Like, can I get on the flight or not? Anyways, so we went over to WestJet. We got a one-way to go down, so at least we were able to get a flight going down today, so it's not that bad. It could have been worse. I mean, we're out a little bit of money, but it's whatever, like, we're going. So, you know, if we had gone before, I wouldn't have been able to see mommy and catch her. So I'm happy that, you know, I get some food and, you know, just to relax a little bit. I'm tired. I am tired. Anyways, guys, taking my wig. Is it cute or not? This is the wig that I made. My very first. It's so cute. I'm gonna wear wigs from now on for the rest of my life. I had it in the center part, and then my sister tried it on yesterday, and she put it to the side, and I was just like, whoa, that's cute. So I'm gonna keep it like that. Marlon's gone. He went to go get a shoelace because, like, we just ran out of time. Like, look at this, look at this. Oh my god. We just ran out of time. So the shoelace that I had for him for his shoes, the longer ones, we didn't even have time to do that shit. But yep, that's what's up for now. Just here waiting for our flight now, which is now at 10:15. So instead of getting to Jamaica in the morning, we're gonna get there the early afternoon, which isn't too bad still, but the 6 o'clock flight would have been nice. I would have been on my way, but there's a reason for everything, and everything happens for a reason, so I'm not even questioning it. It's all in God's hands. So all I know is that I'm gonna make it. That's the main thing. So I will catch up with you guys later. I'm at the airport, you guys. Going to Jamaica. Are you guys ready for Jamaica vlogs? Hit the thumbs up button if you guys are. I'm so excited. So guys, it's time. We killed so many hours, but now it's time. We're boarding now. And yep. There's Faye. Mark. Say hey. He's already mad that he missed his flight. So you know that
and plus me have to pay for the tour with you. You see that? That's not easy. She want me pay for me, she turn back.
At least I woke you up this morning. At least I woke you up this morning.
Hold on. You wake me up this morning, but you wake me up late.
No, it wasn't late. It was still on time. If the cab came fast. Oh my gosh, I think my soup is spilling. Be right back.
It's time. Heading off to Montego Bay. My name is Pat. I'm from First Officer Lee. In the back, be very shortly 4 wonderful Western flight up. They've got Vidya, Kyle, Michael, and Elizabeth. You get your safety and comfort this morning on 3 hour and 25-minute flight down to Hawaii. Weather down there right now, beautiful.
So yeah, we're off, guys. We're going. I'm so excited. Even though we missed our first flight, it's okay. We got one. That's all that matters. I'm gonna be in Jamaica in a couple of hours. Hopefully I see you.
Arm doors and cross check.
Where we're going? Oh. Oh my god. Views.
So we've been flying for, I hope you guys can hear me. So we've been flying for a few hours. Woo! Yeah, so we've been flying for some time. We'll be landing 23 minutes before schedule, so we're getting there a little bit earlier, even though I should have already been there by now, but that's okay. So yeah, that's what's up right now. We're so close to the water right now. Yui! That's dead end. Oh my god! Oh my god! Woo! Shit! Woo! Oh, I'm so excited to see my dad. I can't believe he doesn't know I'm coming. Like, I'm so excited.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. A pleasant welcome to Montego Bay, Jamaica. Local time is 12:58 p.m. We're 23 minutes ahead of schedule, and that's due, of course, to the hard work and good looks that are all on your flight attendants. Thanks, that was my...
Sangsters. Just waiting for our ride now. Trying to find credits. Money to get credits because my credit run out. What do you say? You want? Oh. Plan on seeing our work. Guys, I'm back in Jamaica. I'm here. And I'm with Daddy. Yes, I'm here. Woo! We're here. Live and in living color. We are back in Jamaica. Yes, we are. Now we're just walking because my dad decided not to cook for me today. True, him never knows me did I come, right? Him never knows me did I come. You understand? So him never met no Sunday dinner give me. You understand? But I'm gonna get my dinner. Some way, somehow, I'm go get me dinner. All if I walk, we have to walk, go somewhere, go find food. We'll go do that. You know that way there? Yeah, so we're just walking right now because he's going to get something to fix his car. Daddy, say hi to my vlog.
I vlog.
No, not vlog. Vlog. Be like Victor.
Oh, I vlog.
Yeah. Y'all, it's so hot. I'm not complaining though because last time I was here, it was bare rain. It was freezing. So me know so me go get my little tan this time. Me go black. Oh God, me go black. Me go get black people.
Go get black people.
Me go get black people. Get it? Get it? Get it? No, you don't get it? Okay. Daddy, are there dogs up here?
No.
You sure?
dog up there and for them dogs. Guava. It's a nice one, you know.
Guava flavored like drinks and stuff. So guys, this is a guava tree. And this is a guava. It looks like a lime.
A red one, you know.
A red?
This is nice. Taste it. It's good.
This is a guava. Why are you not focusing? Focus, you stupid thing! Oh, there we go. Wait. Come on, man! Anyways, that's a guava, guys. All I smell is the skin. So wait, you eat the skin too?
Everything goes.
Ew! Skin? Huh? What'd you say? Yo, you guys, my dad's disrespecting me this time, like this trip, you know? Talking about, oh, I didn't tell him I was coming, so there's no room for me. And thing, how no preparation, make and all these type of things. Like, what? It's my house. How do I need to tell you? To prepare what? My room? It's my room. I left it the same way.
She's coming to see which girl I have there.
Exactly. That too. And she not there. Today. I mean, no, when you get that call, them say, yo, you can't come because my daughter there. You understand?
No, my wife is here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You know what it tastes like almost? Like star apple.
Star apple?
You know the little green one? Or like, what did I say, June plum?
Oh, June plum.
June plum, not star apple. Sorry. Yeah, that's what it tastes like.
Yeah, have the same little tummy.
Yeah. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Wanna see where me I walk from? And where me have to go? Why Patrick and Philip on such a tall hill, man? Oh, no, Daddy, I'm overweight.
She's on the sun.
You should have told me not to wear slippers. Daddy, I'll wait for you here. Holy cow, my legs. Whew.
It's good, eh?
Huh?
I'm gonna run it up when I'm ready, you know.
Oh, okay, guys. I'll catch you when I'm at the top, okay? Because it's not going to be a pretty video. Wanna see my message? Wanna see my message? Subscribe. Oh, God. Yes, I'm talking to my vlog. Look at this. Look at this. God, I thought these all work out, man. I should do this every day. Wait, you can still see you, but... Wait, yeah, I can see you now, okay? What? We're back again. I'm back with my Stam Retero and my bee stingers. Yeah. Them just come from Breda funeral.
Yes.
Stay real, Breda. Yes. And we're at my favorite place, Red Breda. Holding the vibes. Yo, this mix is thebomb.com. Okay? If you ever come to Jamaica or you have these two items, try it. Bomb.com.
We're not go hard tonight. We're not go.
Keneal's so happy that I got him a fitted. I bought him a hat because I asked him last time what he would like. And he told me a hat, so I bought him a hat. Like, you know, like when I come, he always checks for me, takes me out, you know, like he's my brethren from a long time, so I bought him a hat. But anyways, he liked the hat, So he's like, oh, I can get anything that I want. When last time he was supposed to give me the CD that he got and he didn't. Even when I went back for it, he didn't. And he was supposed to take me out for my birthday and he didn't. Like 2 trips now I was supposed to go to that dinner and I didn't go. But anyways, yeah, I'm just at that end. In my way. It's so funny, my dad was making fun of it. But I'm cute. I don't care. This is gonna be my funeral hair. And then I'll braid my hair. But it's cute and it's long. My outfit of the night. You see my shoes? They're so cute. You'll see them one day in the day when I wear it. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, I know. I really like them. They're so cute. So dumb. He's so no.
All the girls, new name for the girls, Booby, Santa Black, she go see a road. That's it, real rich. Santa Black.
Real rich. So what's my
First name.
wait? Is it no? It's last name first. It's so what's my last name? Rich. So what's my first name? So what's all of my name? Real rich. So what's all of my name? Real rich. Real poor, yo. It was yellow, so yeah, so that's what's up. There's some weird girls over here. It's so weird. They're like naked for no reason. I think they're prostitutes, but I don't know, and I don't want to judge, but you know? Yeah. So yeah. Cause I'm in war, I know I just come today. Can you start singing this by this song? Everyone know what is your company. You know why your girl with just want company. Why your company? What do the brother and the fish? What do you get? Look for my fucking here. And then they got red enough. Or whenever. Hey.